When last we met, we were talking about 4-petal flowers. Now we're talking about 2-petal inspins. So this is a 2-petal horizontal inspin, right? And I'm doing the petals at the front and the back. But you could also do this where you're doing the top and the bottom. In either case, what you're doing is you're cutting out 2 of the petals from the 4-petal inspin. And now we can either cut out the top and the bottom and be left with this 2-petal front and back, or horizontal one. Or, going back to the 4-petal, you could cut out the front and the back and be left with the 2-petal top and bottom. It's unclear to me which one is more difficult to do. Once again, let's go back to the basic Pilates drill for this. So the drill is the same as the drill that we were doing for the 4-petal. However, it doesn't have quite the same symmetry to it. Because what's happening is when your left is in front and your right is in back, you do your pedal, then you swing, and you do your pedal, and swing, and pedal. So it's almost like a pause, swing, 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 pause, swing. 4 more sets, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now we'll do the placement drill. So we'll hold it in multiple repetitions with the left hand first, starting in the front. And then we'll go to the back position, making sure to open your hip when you come to the back. Then you're going to come up over the top and come to the front. And then down across the bottom and going to the back. And then in the front, we're going to do 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. 2, 3, 4, and front. 2, 3, 4, and back. 2, 3, 4, front. 2, 3, 4, back. 2, 3, 4, front. 2, 3, 4, and back. 2, 3, 4. Great. Now, same thing with the right hand. So it's the same deal. You're in the front, you're holding it there, your hips are open to the left and the back. Then you're going to swing it all the way across the bottom to the back. You open the hip to the right, your left arm would be in the front. Then you're going to swing it up all the way over the top, open your hips to the left again, your right arm's in the front, and then swing it to the back, opening the hip to the right as you do. Now we're going to come to the front, 2, 3, 4, and back, 2, 3, 4, front, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, 2, 3, 4 across the top, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, 2, 3, 4 across the top, 2, 3, 4 across the bottom, 2, 3, 4 and top, 2, 3, 4 bottom, 2, 3, 4 top, 2, 3, 4 bottom, 2, 3, 4. Last set of 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now we're going to try and do just the left hand at speed. So 1 rotation in each position. Now let's just try and slow it down. You want to get yourself spinning as slowly as you can so you can relax into the sensation, keeping nice posture and form, bringing your left arm to the front to begin with, and 5, 6, 7, go. Swing to back, swing to front, across the bottom to the back, across the top to the front, across the bottom to the back, and the top to the front, bottom to the back, 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 top to the front. 8 more, and 7 more, and front, bottom, back, top. 5, and 4, bottom, and 3, bottom, back, top, and 2, bottom, back, top, and last one. And good. Now let's switch it up. We're going to do the right hand, same drill. Okay, starting with the right hand in the front. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bottom, back, top, front, 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 bottom to the back, top to the 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 front. 8 more. And 7, back, and 6, back, top, 5, back, top, 4, bottom, back, top, 3, bottom, back, top, 2, bottom, back, top, last one. And now we're going to do the drill for the weaker hand, whichever one is yours. I'm going to demonstrate the left hand. Remember to have good form. Shake it out. Take a deep breath. Let it out. Relax into it. Doing your weaker hands. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top to the front. Bottom to the back, top to the front. Bottom to the back, top to the front. Bottom to the back, top to the front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. Bottom, back, top, front. 8 more. And 7. And 6 more. And 5 more. And last 4. And last 3. And last 2. And last 1. Oops, I skipped the back beat there, sorry. So now we're going to get uber crazy. We're going to do the placement drill with both hands. So the placement drill will try and maintain split time, and we'll hold each of the positions. So the left will be in the front, right will be in the back to start. We'll do 4 repetitions there and 4 repetitions switched, and we'll try and go for, I don't know, something in the 15 to 20 range. Okay, so here we go. Breathe in. Let out any stress you might have. Here we go. Left one to the front, right one to the back. 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, 5, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch. Last 4, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch, and 3, 6, 7, switch, and 6, 7, switch. Last 2, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch. Last 1, 6, 7, switch, and 5, 6, 7, switch. Woo! Now that we've done the placement drill, we're going to just try and go for it, where we do 1 rotation, switch, and then 1 rotation to do a full repetition of it. And we'll shoot for 16 to 20 full repetitions of the flower, which means, so this would be a complete repetition like that when you get back to there. That's 1, okay? Front and back pedal. So here we go. We'll start when the left one will go in the front. Breathe in. Let out any stress and tension you may have. Bring your left arm front, right arm back on 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9, and 10, and 11, and 12, and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Well, you make a very, very fine distinction there. So the question before the house is it still a two-petal flower if you're not just on the outside here, but you do something crazy like go on the inside? So here, in fact, I can do this two-petal flower on the outside, or I could do it there on the inside. So it's on the inside on the front and inside on the back, which I'll show you from the side view. Now, here's where it would matter. The only time you'll be able to really perceive it is if you notice when my arm is covering the plane of the poi. That's the only way you'll notice the difference particularly. So on the outside, you'll get the full effect of the light or fire. On the inside, you'll have a point where it's there, where your arm will be covering the flame for that brief stint. This would matter for pictures, but also from the perspective of performing for geeks like i.e. other spinners. It might look cooler if you're doing this one, which is inside to inside to inside to inside. They may not even notice, however, and you may just have that secret knowing of what you're doing. It's not wrong to do it on the inside. I would say that's just a different technique. You're doing an inside plane two-petal horizontal flower. And you could do a combination, like I could do inside plane like it's a buzzsaw here, but then inside plane here, outside plane here. In fact, I have a very fun performance move that I do that's very much like that, where I'll do this coming out, and this coming out, and this coming out, and this coming out. There's no right or wrong answer there, boys and girls. I mean, you could do it asymmetric for all. Okay, so this one, here's what I'm gonna do. My right arm is on the outside plane, but my left arm is on the inside plane. So I'm just doing it asymmetrically. Oh, now let's see if yes. No, wait. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now my right hand is going on the inside plane, and my left hand is going on the outside plane. So they're all two-petal flowers. It's just a matter of where your placement is relative to inside or outside plane. And again, like I said, the only place that's really going to matter is like if you have some choreographic need to be on the inside or the outside, or if you're taking like photography, you'd be able to tell the difference between the path of the circle at that point. So, and that's only if your photographer's effective enough to capture it. Well, I mean, I've worked with hundreds of photographers. Not all of them have the same skills. Just like not all poi artists have the same skills. So, because they can't always see the pattern, because they don't spin. I remember doing multiple photo shoots where I was trying to get them to capture a yin yang, because a yin yang is actually created by capturing like from there to there. Okay, half of a two-petal flower. Okay, but that's like super fast with the shutter at the exact right time, or else you don't capture it. And so I was actually trying to like call it out every time it was like a version of it, and not everybody was able to capture one.